To take a small break so I could warm my hands up. I talked about consistency, about getting the BSA that's got the gauge on the rifle. When I just topped this up, and I took a break before, and I topped it up to 180. It's capable of 2, but I topped it up to 180. Now, it took 10 shots for it to settle down. So maybe I should fill up to 170. Don't know. These are the things I'm learning about. It's all fun. Right, it's gone back to how it was shooting before now, and the RWS hobbies. I'm shooting right and below. So we'll try one more, then we'll go back to the Accupell, because I think they're the ones it favours. Well, with this zeroing anyway, and now it's got back to its maybe potential sweet spot air-wise. Yeah, grouping beautiful, 2 in the same hole, below right of the target. You've got the blue centre, you've got a white ring, then you've got a red ring. They're just on the outside of the red ring, say around 4 o'clock. So let's try the Accupell, see if we get it close to the ball. Next recording I'll get a second cam on the target, so what I'll do for now is just put up a picture. Yeah. Yep, it's the Accupell FTs every time. I'm going to fill it to 170 next time. Same hole. Wow. Still needs some adjustment. Still needs some adjustment. we're getting close. What I'll do after this is put a splatter target up. Another thing what has improved my shooting was I used to wear my reading glasses while looking down the scope, and then focus with a side focus, and then this here, forget its name, and then one day I was watching a guy shoot, and he was reading, and then he put his glasses down and shot. I'm thinking, he was reading the manual of a gun he was unboxing, and then he looked down the scope and took his reading glasses off. So I thought, oh, I'll try that. Much better. Adjust the scope, focus accordingly. That's much better. I could sit here all day doing this, apart from the weather. I'll have to go and have another warm in a minute. It's a good gun. 850 for it. It's a good gun. I mean, when I get the BSA, I'm out to sell it to get a scope or something for the new one. But then again, part of me wants to keep it. Maybe I should sell the Mark III Mercury or the Remington. One more, and then we'll go and put the splatter target up so I can send a picture at the end of this video of it. Right, I'm going to pause the video, try one more. This is very, very close. And I think, to be honest, I'm cold, so I'm not going to get it much better than this. It's right in the bulb. Okay, pause the video, get a splatter target up.